Hey, what's up Phantom fam? How's it going? Welcome to a brand new unboxing and a review of a product which I personally love, and I think you're gonna love this as well. So let's get this review started.
Check this.
Hey guys, welcome back. Now this is what I have to show you today. My brand new riding jacket from the company called Solace. Yes, it actually comes like this in its own bag, so it's easy to store if you're not using it, and if you're traveling you can easily pack this up in a suitcase and take it wherever you want it, no matter where. So keeps the dust out of it, keeps all the other weather elements out, and your helmet and your jacket ready to go. So let me open this up and wear it, and I'll show you what are the main features. Few things first, there were some tags attached to the jacket which I've obviously removed, but let me read you what it is. Now this is the main tag. It says this is a Solace jacket. The size is extra large. I don't know if you can see it. The size is extra large. It's called the Reywish motorcycle jacket, and the MRP is 4,850 rupees. Yes guys, this is a highly value for money proposition from this company. That's one of the reasons why I went for it. It's got 3M Scotch-Lite reflective material, the piping all over. I'll show you this in details. Original YKK zippers that we've come to expect from very high quality brands. It's 100% polyester, 600D, abrasion resistance, so really good. Also looks really good. It's 100% waterproof. The rain liner from inside, I've removed it obviously, but it is. And guys, the main selling point, CE protection. This is what you should be looking for, no matter if it is an everyday riding or if it's your weekend riding. And I think this jacket can also be used for touring. So let's get the jacket out and let me wear it. Boom, there you have it guys. This is it. Like you can see, this is an extra large and fits me really well. And now you can see it's got this mesh in the front. Now this is really high quality honeycomb mesh that they talk about it. It's much higher quality than what you get on normal jackets. It's also got the same mesh lining through the arms and also at the back, so that's good for taking out any moisture and to keep you sweat free in terms of a long ride. It's got this comfortable lining on the collar, so that will not trouble you at all. Obviously I've removed the rain liner. It fits here really well, and the zippers have these pull tabs on both the pockets as well as this, so even if you're using your gloves, it's really easy to find. Now there are CE level elbow protectors here, shoulder, as well as I've got a back protector. I think for this money, this is the best jacket that you can get in India, period. I will leave their website address right here, and I'll also leave their phone numbers in case you want to contact them and ask for this jacket or any other that you're interested in. Give them my reference, Phantom Rides. Now I will open up the jacket and show you some of the details from inside. To quickly sum up the jacket style guys, now this, you can see, for comfort you can open this up and close it. It's got a velcro strap, so you can completely wrap it around if you want it. It's got hooks inside where the rain liner kind of velcro straps in, so even when you're wearing the rain liner, they make sure that the rain liner is not going to slip up. It's got these adjustable straps here, so you can have your guards nicely in place no matter how you're riding. And it's also got adjustable straps at the bottom here, so it fits really well. Now guys, this is not an aggressive fit jacket, so it's going to be really comfortable for long rides as well as short rides, and you can even do casual track days like we have in India wearing this jacket itself. Boom. So here is it, guys. Now you can see the reflective piping shining even with the sunlight that's coming in from the back side. It's got the same reflective lining at the back. Here you can see, really nice and visible. And this is the red and black version. You also get the green and black version. Clean Solace branding here. At the front here you have a nicely embroidered Solace logo, and you can see this. It's branded. You can remove the back protector if you want. I'm going to remove the protectors and show it to you guys, so don't worry about it. Now you can see the zippers that I was telling you about. They have these pull tabs. You have your CE protector branding on the side, plus you have Solace branding on these adjustable Velcro straps towards your waist. Now it's got two pockets, guys, two on the sides, 1 and 2, and it's got a third waterproof pocket right inside here where you can keep your wallet or your mobile phone or something. It's near your chest area, really easy to use. And that is the overall of the jacket. Now let me remove the protectors and show it to you guys. So this is the back protector, guys. As you can see, is CE level 1 for motorcycle. Really good and sturdy material. This is the shoulder protector, again made out of very solid material. This is CE level 1, and guys, you can upgrade the cost at which the jacket comes. I'm sure if you want, you can upgrade it. Here you can see the CE branding, everything is authentic. And this is the slightly larger, the elbow protector. Again, there you go. The material moves around, so it's not really hard. You will not have any problem riding the bike with movements, basic movements, so that is good enough. And that's it, guys. This is it, the Solace motorcycle riding jacket called Reywish. Like I said, I got an extra large. The company is based in Bangalore. That's their customer care contact number, but I'll still have it in the description. Please do contact them. Do consider this jacket. Now that you've seen it, I will have some riding footage of this jacket, and I will have some more details towards the end of this video. You should definitely consider this brand, and what I can say, this is one of the favorite products that I have got my hands on this year, and I'm really excited to take this out riding. I've already taken it riding twice, and I can say without doubt this is one of the most comfortable jackets that I've ever worn. So thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, and also if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Any questions, any thoughts, put them down in the comments below. I will reply to everyone. Okay, rear camera angle test as well as jacket ventilation test. I can feel the air moving through me, through my body. Yes, definitely upper chest, around the stomach, and going around at the back. So guys, this this jacket is not a joke. It actually works like described. The reason why I know it is because it took me a while to mount the cameras, and it's quite a hot day today. And yes, this jacket is keeping me cool. No problems whatsoever sitting on the bike or moving around. Definitely one of the things that I wanted to think about. That's why these textile jackets are so much better